Hello everyone, this is RECK. Welcome to another RECK Adventure. Today we are flying over Lake Red Rock. This is about 45 minutes outside of Des Moines. And it is the biggest lake that I can drive to within like 5 hours. So there you see that bridge is the mile-long bridge. So this lake is at least a mile across, even wider in some places. And it's about 13 miles long, where there's a dam on the end, which I did not fly down to because I don't have that kind of range. But this was a lot of fun, flying over these boats. I did not have head tracking turned on for this flight. I was just using the sliders on the side of my radio to pan and tilt the camera. You'll see later in the video I'm flying from like a lookout tower observatory type area. Did that so I could get high off the ground and hopefully get some good signal for long range. So I'm just going to follow this boat here across the bridge. And you're going to see a few cuts that are unfortunate, like they happen as interesting things are happening. And that's because my DVR kept stopping on its own. And the only way I was able to notice and start it again was by seeing that little red REC in the corner was gone, and I had to start it manually. So that's a little unfortunate. We drove across this bridge on the way to the flying spot, and it is surprisingly high off the water, like almost so much that it makes you nervous, because it's only a 2-lane road, fairly narrow. I assume they made it that high for the boats, but it is like way too high. But it's really interesting just driving over water for so long. First time I've ever done that. Nice little view over the wing with the boat in the background, the bridge. You can see signal is actually not perfect. The tower was made up of a whole bunch of bars. It was like a jail cell cage. Like they were really afraid of somebody jumping, I guess. So I am guessing that had something to do with it. If you're curious about the plane setup, this is the Atom RC Penguin. It's kind of a new one. Twin engine, obviously, kind of a hybrid lifting body airplane. There's no rudder, just differential thrust. They're like 2204 motors, so pretty efficient, but it has way more power than you would ever need. If I were to go like 60% throttle, it would climb vertically, and that's only at 60. So, and then I've got the pan and tilt rig that Atom RC sells for this plane, and I'm just using HD0 with the Nano V2 camera and the 1-watt Freestyle VTX. Signal is surprisingly not that great, actually. And there you'll hear there is some recorded audio from
2 miles away,
from the goggles as I was doing the flight. And there's the first DVR cut. So here's my farthest distance, 2.32 miles. So I'm more than 2 times farther away than that bridge is from where I took off, which is pretty cool. And I had this nice little boat to follow on the way back. But anyway, I'm using Express LRS. I have some kind of diversity receiver. I don't remember what it's called, but when you see the camera look backwards, you might see the antenna sticking up. I have one coming out of the top and the bottom, so I never lose radio link.
Do you see that boat on the other side of the bridge? I'm following that right now.
And I'm talking to Noelle, Crazy Do, as some of you know. She was with me for this adventure, just kind of being my spotter and having a good time. of surprising, the breakup I was getting. It's almost like interference. These diagonal lines are usually signs of interference type of breakup, rather than just regular breakup. See, like this speckle that you're seeing now, that's more regular, but the diagonal lines, that's like interference, so not sure what was causing that. Still nice that I was able to get over 2 miles though. So now I'm going to go pretty far to the opposite side of the lake, and it's 13 miles that direction where the dam is. Well, not 13 miles from this spot, but it's that, down that way. Didn't push it this direction as far because it was downwind, I believe. And there was nothing really interesting to go look at over there like there was on the other side with the bridge. Now I've decided I'm going to fly this direction for a while, get over to that landmass, and then follow the bridge back across the lake. And to the left here was a state park, but I didn't really see anything interesting to look at.
So I'm right above the landmass that the bridge connects to.
You can see how much I'm crabbing with the wind. iNav says the wind is only like 5 miles an hour, but it was definitely higher.
I'm over the bridge right now, looking down at all these cars. So where am I gonna land? Maybe I should bring it in early just to figure that out. It's pretty breezy above the trees, and it's gonna be a rough transition when I dip below them, because I'll get into some rolling turbulence over the trees. Oh, there's a hawk. Whoa, dude. What is up, my hockey guy? Holy shoot. Whoa. I'm flying with him. Oh my god, that's so awesome. Oh, I lost track of him. Do you see the hawk? I don't see him anymore. Oh, whoa! Didn't I? I don't know what's wrong with my goggles. They keep stopping. I totally just missed that near miss with the hawk. It didn't record it. No, I'm not gonna near miss another hawk. That was risky. I don't know. I don't know when it stopped recording. That was so cool though. Are there any other birds around? Where at? Oh, I see a bunch of birds sitting in the water down there. Oh, I see. So I'm straight out here somewhere.
Now you can see that Cordova observation tower. It's in Cordova Park, in case you were curious. But that's where we're flying from, right there on the left.
I'm like right here. Like right here, somewhere. I'm crossing us right now. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that's me. Huh? I know. Isn't it great? I am a bird. I'm a happy bird. I didn't see any of them. Like directly? No. Oh, I see one of them. I see two of them. I see three of them. Oh, I only see one of them now. I know, I'm looking at one of them right off my wingtip. I see them. They must be in a thermal. That's freaking cool. Whoa. Oh, that's so cool. They're right off my wingtip. I wish I had head tracking right now. Wow. Huh? Yeah. I lost sight of them.
The birds are actually a bit easier to pick out live in the goggle than they were in this DVR. Not by much, though.
Oh, they're right under me. I see them now. Huh? Yeah, I probably am freaking them out. I read that flying above the hawks makes them think that you're a threat, and flying below them makes them think that you're like prey. I'm gonna do a circle around us. Can you see me? Do you... What's up? That's freaking cool. Hey, I see you! Now I'm low. I wonder if the hawks will mess with me. They're behind me? I see this one to my right. I just went right over him. This is so fun. I'm gonna follow this boat. Can you see me? This little boat that's close to shore, that's driving away from shore, that's what I'm following right now. I'm like pretty low right above him, or behind him. I'm only 50 feet off the ground. I'm right above that boat. Huh? Huh? Really? That's cool. I see me. I'm right above that boat. Like literally right above him. That's so cool. Alright, I better leave this guy alone. If they even saw it. Oh my god, I just realized I was pushing down instead of up and it was diving toward the water. It's cool, we're chilling now. You see, I'm going over this boat that's going by.
Yeah, so right there I got confused. Flying planes with a flight controller is weird for me. I've always flown them just like raw inputs. And flying it in cruise mode, it's like angle mode. And that's super weird because angle mode with a quad, you know, you push forward to go forward. So my brain kind of got mixed up with that, and I started pushing forward thinking that's what was making me go forward, but it was actually making me dive. Yeah, that could have ended really badly.
I don't see him. Oh, I see one now. Who is? I bet you he was diving away from me.
Oh, he's still diving.
Oh.
Oh, what's he looking at? What's he going for?
The gold.
Oh my god, he was on the shore bank. Oh, he caught something.
Did he?
Yeah.
Is he over there on the open shore? I see a bunch of white birds way down there. Oh, he's right in front of me. Oh god. Oh, they're turning toward me. Did you see that? They like dived to get away from me. It's kind of nerve-wracking to fly with them because I can't keep track of them very well. Maybe if I had head tracking working. I think I'm going to bring it in soon. Okay, I think what I'll do is I'll put the plane into loiter mode and walk down there, and then I'll land it from down there.
So now I've just got the plane in loiter mode, so I can climb down the tower and receive it when it lands so I can get it unplugged quick, because that VTX really likes to overheat really fast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know. I'll make more of these. It's kind of hard to find interesting places to go fly like this. Like, I had to drive pretty far to get to this one, so. But I would like to do it more, so thanks for watching.
Alright. Oh boy. I'm lining up for the landing here. Hey dude, will you stand next to me? Tell me if there's any people or anything. I did just see a car roll in. I'm following the road and I'm going to try and put it down in the circle, okay? Can you see me? Oh! Alright, we're on the ground. That was so fun. Wow.